Bye guys! Okay, so now I just wanted to say, before we say anything, we are today doing a dough, and make sure to do this with parent supervision, because you don't want to do a mess and you get in trouble. So that's why you want super parent vision. So now I'm gonna say the ingredients. So you're gonna need a bowl and flour, egg, and some water, and salt, and milk, and yeast, and a spoon. So let's get into the video. Okay, so now first thing you're gonna add is your flour in your bowl, like this. And then you're gonna take your teeny tiny bit of salt and just don't put it all. Just take like a hint of salt and just like sprinkle it in. Same thing with that yeast. You just try to make the yeast a bit more than it, and just still I feel like I added like a whole bunch of, and then you add in your egg, then you add in your water right here. Just don't add the whole water as well, all of the water as well. Like try not to feel like I put too much, so that's enough, I guess. And then add in your milk. Same thing with that milk, don't add all of it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now let's mix. Now you will mix, and I'll mix and come back. Okay, so after you made your dough, just like this, in this consistency, and then you need it just like this, and kind of shortly, because I'm considering it, but see. So yeah, that's how you need it. And then you take your amazing big rolling pin and roll it and shape it, and you could bake it as a pizza, a bread, like any type of like dough consistency thingy. I don't know what the, like, you get the idea. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.